This is going to be creating a AI zoo process video. So we'll start by just getting, well, you know what? Let's keep that object in the scene for now. So what we're going to do is just delete that, and then I think I already have these like set up. Like, so I have a couple of these creatures already set up. But for the sake of this, what we'll do is if you come over here, what you want to create is an AI controller, and it should look like this. And it has all the things in it that you need, really. And then basically what you're going to do is you're going to make a blueprint class. And you call this an actor. Call it AI template. Okay, and it will look like this. And then what we'll do is we'll create an AI. So I'm just going to, what I'll do is I'll make this full screen. And this is the blueprint that you're going to want to use. So you're going to have an event begin play, set timer by event, random walker. So this is a custom event. So if you want to do this, you just right click and go custom event, add custom event, hook it in. This will be the time that the loop happens. And then we're just going to put a simple move to location, pull out, get controller, and then get random reachable point in radius for the goal, simple move to location function, and then get the actor location. So this will look at where the actor is in space. And so then that's basically what we're going to have. And you'll have a viewport with a 3D model. What you're going to want is a capsule component, a arrow component, a mesh, which then you can put different things. So for this, I have this model that I created today. And so what I'm going to do quick, going to export. Okay, and then we'll take that AI template that we made and we'll duplicate it and we'll call this Dusk Play AI. And then you can literally just go in here, you can go to your viewport, you can select, in this case, like I have the aboleth in here. And so like, there's two ways to do this, is add a character mesh on top and then add a static mesh. Because then if you have a character that can walk, you can do that as well. Like that's, there you go. So, or you can just clear that, go over here, we'll go our Dusk Play snack. It's pretty big, so maybe we'll bring him down. And then let's actually change the name on this, so we'll go Dusk Play. And I'm just going to call this X Render. And then we'll rename this, we'll call this Mesh Render. Compile. And oh yeah, so then we're going to put this nav mesh volume, and then make sure to scale it with the brush. Okay, there we go, and I'll get it up, and then basically that's it. So if we click play, boom. And I like that he kind of floats. Wow. Cool. All right, so we'll call this guy the Viper's little like home. Maybe what I'll do is just for some movement, or for movement space wise, just go like this, and then there we go. Oh, I see that he doesn't. This thing doesn't have his cubes. Okay, so then you can literally just do that. All right, so I'm gonna make three different. I'm gonna make the root node and then two other ones, and then I'm gonna connect them together quick. If I have this in here, which like I feel like I should have it in here, but I don't know if I do. So anyways, okay, I'm gonna go back. Third person, what the fuck? Okay, well I guess I'll just do it then. Okay, so we're gonna quickly make a just a quick little level transfer, which is pretty simple. You just go over here, you go box component or box collision, sorry, and then compile, and then scroll down, and then on component begin overlap, pull out your executable, and say open level by name, and then you can say, like in this case we went, you can pull this down, go back. Third person, let's go back to our map. So we call this Taisea Agent Zoo. Taisea Agent Zoo Node 1. And then I can change it every single time and keep track of the nodes for the level transfer. So then you can add doors that go to specific ones. Okay, so now we have that. Now, what we'll do is because the character can like move around in the map, we can go back to our blueprints where we just made this. We can pop it in. And also, let's actually just go back here quick. And let's scale this up a bit. Let's call this 6 by 6, actually by 1 by 6. Compile, save, pull down. Okay, there we go. So let's try that. Okay, and because it's the same room right now, it looks the same. So then what we'll do is we'll go back over to maps. We'll go Tessay Zoo node 1. We'll save that. First thing we're going to do is I'm going to make this, I'm going to take away this building, and I'm going to make this brush scale just a tad longer in the X plane. Oh, fuck. Take it down. Okay. So then what I'll do is, because we already have some agents, so this is where I'd encourage you to go and create your own AI agent and try to do that. It's pretty simple. And I've made a couple videos now on how to do that. So this is mostly just about the zoo process. So now that we have that, the thing is the way this is set up is I have these multiple creatures. So already I can do this and pop that guy in there. I can pop this one in there. And then when I click play, like I have an environment that has, well, should have 3. But it looks like the film image doesn't quite isn't rendering. So let's say it's the beholder then, right? And so now you're playing, and each of these agents can live within here and interact with one another. So let's take that off. Actually, I'm gonna make this a. No, I want like a. You dream on some of the blocks can just be like this. Okay, so. Can I paint these things though? Why can't I paint this? Why isn't it letting me paint this? Oh wait, it is painting. There it is. Why is it painting up in the air like that? Eh? Fuck. Okay, I don't know what's going on with blind stuff right now. That's weird. So anyways, the whole point of that was that now, if we go back and we save, and we go to our root node, and we play, we have the dust play book, and then there we go. Now we're in this zone. Whoa, shit! Where this really big book is, right? There's like a little beholder, and so then each one can either kind of have their own habitat, and like the point too was kind of to get that foliage to work, because like this is basically essentially a spot where you can set up like 100, 200, 300, 400 different AI, like singular AI models, and then take them and transfer them into other seed projects and stuff. And so it's kind of like a root project then, where you can access these and bring them into your projects. Okay, and then, so yeah, anyways, that's going to be the first process video on like how to build or building an agent-based zoo. Thanks for watching.